what is the difference between which and that? We know that who and whom refer to people from my previous lesson. So if you want to check it out, please click the link above. How about that and which? Which refers to things. That can refer to a person or things. Before I continue, let's tell our visitors what this channel is all about. Hey there everyone, my name is Ruby. Welcome to Phrasebook to English. This is an English channel developed for native English speakers who seek to develop their speaking, listening, pronunciation, accuracy, and fluency in the English language. Hang out with me for a while and I promise you'll get something out from this video. Keep tuning in. Now, let's look at these two sentences. The soup is too salty. I had it for lunch. Which and that can be used as an object in an adjective clause, like this example. The soup which I had for lunch was too salty. Or the soup that I had for lunch was too salty. And an object pronoun can be omitted or get rid of from an adjective clause like this. The soup I had for lunch was too salty. If you take that and which here, the meaning is still the same. And it's pretty easy to understand if this is just the rule, right? No, but there's more to this. And most non-native English speakers want to understand grammar rules, concepts, etc. And the reason why I'm covering this because I was asked this question by one of my students last week. And here I am explaining the difference. To understand when to use that or which, it's imperative that you understand clauses. Imperative means necessary. Now there are two types of clauses, a defining clause and the non-defining clause. Now a defining clause, it is also called an essential clause or a restrictive clause. What is essential? It means important, necessary. What is restrictive? It means limited to. This clause gives information essential or importance to the meaning of a sentence. That is used in defining clauses. The pill made me sleepy. I took it. If you convert it to a relative pronoun, you can say, the pill that I took made me sleepy. Now, let's understand a defining clause. In this sentence, if we look at it very closely, the speaker here is giving us an idea that he or she has at least other types or kinds of pill. Now, the pill that the speaker is talking about is distinguished from his or other pills by making him or her sleepy. Now, if you remove the clause that I took, you would lose the implication that he or she has more than one pill. And even if you somehow knew about the other pills, you wouldn't know which one made him or her sleepy. That I took, this clause gives information essential to the meaning of the sentence. The pill that I took made me sleepy. Now, unlike defining clauses, non-defining clauses is also called non-essential or non-restrictive clauses. They don't limit the meaning of a sentence. If you remove them, you might lose some interesting details, but the meaning of the sentence won't change, which introduces non-defining clauses. And sometimes these phrases are set off by commas. Now, the pill which I took made me sleepy. Here, the pill is simply a description that it made him or her sleepy. There's no implication that the speaker has more than one pill, right? You see the difference? We lose interesting details if you remove them. If you remove which I took, you would lose interesting details, but the meaning of the sentence wouldn't change. The pill made me sleepy. We have no idea which pill made the speaker sleepy, but we understand that he took a pill that made him or her sleepy. And again, to remember the difference, think of non-defining clauses first, or the use of which first. Non-defining clauses or non-essential are not so important. They add additional information, but they're not very important. For example, the information which I found on the internet helped me a lot. If you say the information helped me a lot, the sentence would still be correct, but the first sentence adds more information as to where the information came from or was found. Where did you get the information from? From the internet. That is a defining clause. It is restrictive clause. It gives the reader necessary information about the words they modify. They help convey the intended meaning. The mango is ripe. You don't know which specific mango is ripe. The mango that my mom sent is ripe. The defining clause lets you know which mango is ripe. The speaker here gives us the necessary information to help convey the meaning. Now, this is important. By identifying your clauses as defining or non-defining clauses, you can easily remember when to use which and when to use that. I hope this has been helpful. Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Have a great week. Phrasebook English signing off.